Hello darlings, it's Brandy here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you're another YouTuber, let me know down in the comments and I will sub you back. Now stay safe, get your boosters, and here's the video. Hello darlings, it's Brandy here. Today we are going to pop out an Easter set using the new Madam Glam Macaron and Spring colors. But first, it's shameless promotion time! We have a new Kawaii drop coming, but don't miss out on these products over here because they are super cute. They can be used all year round for pretty much anything, and I'm telling you, you need to jump on this older stuff because it might be gone soon. So definitely keep those in mind. Pretty much everything is marked down the lowest that it can be, but you can also save 10% using our ambassador codes KF10, SherieBaby10, or Sassy10, and yes, you get 10% off everything on the website, okay? But I'm telling you, this next drop, if you love oversized kawaii, this is for y'all, okay? I'm really, really excited about it. I just gotta get it on the website. I hope everyone is having a marvelous Easter. So let us get on to these super cute nails. Alright y'all, let us get on to these nails. Originally this was going to be the first video, but I felt like it didn't show the polishes enough. So I did the emoji nails, which is the previous video, so go check that out. First we have Cherry Petals. It is a very, very light pink. It almost looks like a white with like a drop of pink in it. Next up we have Candyland, which is a beautiful macaron type color. I'm not sure if it's actually in that collection or not, but yeah. Next up we have Dusty Petal Green. Oh, pastel, duh. Dusty Pastel Green, and it's just a nice pastel. Now here we have Canada, right? So don't get on me for my Spanglish, all right? It actually is more vibrant than what it's showing here. It's giving you a little bit of a mustard type feel, but it's not. It's a beautiful bright yellow. So I have Smelly Cat, which is my favorite nude from Madam Glam so far. It's my go-to. So I am going to paint all of these nude and then go into the design after that. So I'm not going to show all that. I'm going to show one nail being painted because, like I said, it's my favorite. It's my go-to, and I just want you to see how beautiful the cream is. Okay, now here I was looking for colors to use for the grass, so I just kind of pulled a few things out. I pulled out these little cubes, but I really wasn't feeling it. The colors were too dramatic and just not great. So I ended up using this Mini Mystery and Mini Foggy Night, and I wanted to have the contrast there so it looked more realistic-ish, like, because if you just did it one color, it could kind of just look like a blob sometimes. So I wanted to make sure that I was getting that two-tone look, you know? Okay, so I'm using my Madam Glam Professional Detail Liner Nail Brush. That's a big mouthful, huh? It is sold out, but honestly, before I got the brushes from Madam Glam, I really thought that when it came to liner brushes and ombre brushes that it didn't really matter. I started with the super, super cheap, like you get 3 for $1.50, and then I went up to like the ones that have like the little jewels in the handle and everything. Then I got a set from Burano, a 6-set liner brush, all different lengths, and that changed my world forever. Okay, it was like, at the time it was like $11, like $10.99 to get it. I'm not sure about that now. I will make a note and try to remember to put it in the Burano video itself, if they are still making them. So that just totally changed my world. And then when I got these were like a quadrillion times better. They're very, very expensive, at least to me, but it's one of those things like a good acrylic brush. When you find one that you like, that works well, that you know, is just your style. You order a few of them so you have them if you need them, but if you treat it right, you can have that brush forever. So that is just my little input on nail brushes. Now, I didn't get the second layer going in, like the darker color or lighter color, whatever. I didn't press record. You know how that happens sometimes where you're like off, so you end up recording nothing instead of recording what you're supposed to be recording because you paused it to put this stuff in the lamp. You know, it happens a lot, especially for me. So I do want to note that I'm not doing strictly straight lines, and I'm trying to leave some space in between to give it that like raw grass look. So that's how it looks when they are all done with that. Now we're going to get into the Easter eggs, which are super, super cute. I was going to do like one of those full nail like egg, or like an egg with a little chick in it, but of course I wanted it to be kawaii. I had to add my own personal touch because y'all bitches know that's my favorite. We are definitely extra over here. Okay, if you are still watching this video, please hit the like button. Let your girl know you are here. Leave a comment. It really, really helps. Comment, like, share, 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 share is a quick, free, and easy way to support any YouTuber. Me, someone you like. Even if you don't like me, make a comment and say my stuff is trash. I don't care, but just give me some interaction. That's what I need. Okay, I sped up this part a little bit more. Now I am taking that pink and I'm going to do a pink egg and a yellow egg, and it kind of is just wishy-washy, washed out. I am giving it a try though, because, you know, I wanted it to show a lot, and I didn't realize that pink was really that close to white until I did this. So now I'm filling it in, but still you can't really see anything. It's you know, whatever. And I was contemplating outlining the eggs in black, but I felt like that would not look right either. So what I decided to do was take my Madam Glam Perfect White, do all the eggs in white, and then cover it with the pastels so that you can get a bigger pop. You can do that with any type of pastels, you know, more light colors, or jellies if you want it to be a little more opaque instead of just being, you know, like straight see-through. I've done it a lot just to get that beautiful contrast. So I'm just kind of shaping the egg. It's not super important, like, you know, you kind of just make it look egg-ish. It doesn't have to be perfect. Because, you know, there's going to be little dots on it for the design afterwards. But I am taking my time. This is a little sped up, because of course it would take forever to do the video if it wasn't. But, you know, you see me working fast like that, but really it's very, very slow. Very slow. So we got that done, and I am going to put the colors over it now. And like I said, I didn't realize that that pink was so close to white until I did this. But I really do think, like with the pictures and definitely in person, it shows up so much better. I don't know why it was just not giving me the best look. And it's even like using the light in the bright way instead of the yellow way. But yeah, see, the little bit darker colors, the yellow, the blue, the green, they really pop over the white. So you do get to see that. And I made like one bigger egg and one smaller egg. And the ones that are going to have the charms from our website are just with the grass. I think they came out super cute. Okay, I'm speeding this up again because it's just painting the eggs over the white, but I do want you to see me doing it, so I didn't want to just take it out completely. But yeah, see, look at the yellow now. When it's on top of the white, it just gives that ping, ping, Pay attention to me, please. I am fine and I am glowing. Not really glowing, but you know what I mean. The only thing that I didn't like was I ended up putting like the green and the blue on the left for all the nails. So yeah, I would have mixed that up a little better if I was paying more attention. So that was my own fault. But I didn't notice it until I was taking pictures this morning. So yeah, but I am loving this yellow, loving it. The yellow and the blue. Oh my God, love it, love it, love it, love it. You will definitely be seeing more of it. And if you haven't watched my previous video, I did a Skittles mani with it with some emoji stickers from my sis, Snazzy Nailart Studio by Tia. She is killing it on Instagram, so go show her some love. Show her some love. Damn, girl went up 5.5K followers in a week. Damn, girl. Fire! Like I said, killing it on Instagram. Go show her some love. Okay, so I'm taking my finest dotting tool and I'm using white and I'm just putting dots on all the eggs. I was going to try to do something a little more fancy, but I was liking the simplicity of it, and I think if I tried to do too much with it, it would just look sloppy and messy. So that's why I decided to do it like that. Yeah, and like I said earlier, if the egg shapes aren't perfect, not a big deal. Not a big deal. Don't sweat the small stuff. This is a super cute set, and I am doing it on different size nails. This used to be my go-to length and shape before I started with the double XL. So I've decided to try to mix it up with my sets because they kind of started to look all the same. So I wanted to mix it up just a little bit. Now I am using that non-sticky nail gel glue stuff to put on my big charms. And normally I would I would use nail glue to attach it to the actual nail, and then once it dried I would add the UV gel around the side. Then after curing that, I would seal it in with the top coat as well, which I am going in with the top coat now. I just want to show you how I do it so that you can see how the charm is attached to the nail, like very, very securely, very securely. All right, I'm only going to leave the duck in here. I'm doing the regular top coat, of course, but you can see how with the duck, I take some of the polish and I push it down underneath so that it builds up another layer to really keep it securely on there. And I do the same thing with the bunny. I know a lot of people don't usually use the big charms to wear on a daily basis, but I love it. I think it's beautiful. You just have to be careful not to catch anything and to make sure those charms are securely anchored onto the nail itself. So here we go with the bunny, and I'm doing the same thing. I put a blop on there, and then I make sure I am getting in there with all the UV stuff. Now, honestly, I didn't put as much UV gel as I would if I was going to be wearing them, but I still wanted to show just the technique itself. So again, everyone that celebrates Easter, I hope your Easter is a marvelous one. And like I said, I don't usually do Sundays, but I decided to do it today because I am awake and have a little bit of free time now because my week is going to be hella busy. So anyways, that's pretty much it with this set. Here is the finished look with the cute little eggs. I am going to pop the pictures in here because they do show so much better. I don't know. I'm going to have to fiddle with the lighting again because, you know, I've been experimenting to try to figure out what does what. Like, see, it was completely white, but now that I zoom in, it gives you that yellow color. So I know it's my phone and my camera and how it operates with the lighting available, but it's still a big pain in the ass. Alright, so here are some of the still pictures. Like I said, the eggs really pop out more than they do in the camera. I do have some video stuff, but I'm going to put it out as reels and shorts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Madam Glam. You can use my code. It's down in the left-hand corner. You click pay as you go, and then you can save your 30% off your order. Also, don't forget about our website. That drop is going to be fire! Don't forget to use your ambassador codes KF10, TreeBaby10, or Sassy10 to save yourself 10% on your entire order. And if you forget to use your code, I cannot do it for you after, so that's on you. So please remember to use the code. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that YouTube-y stuff, and I think that's about it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a marvelous day, and thanks again. Mwah.